Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. For example, if you open Instagram and you see this kind of feature, notes feature, as you can see I am having, and if you do not get that notes feature or it is not showing, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram, and after that, what the first method you have to do is you have to simply search for Instagram on your Play Store or App Store. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply update your Instagram if it is showing any kind of update. After updating the app, what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold, and you have to simply click on app info. You can simply do the same by going to the setting and application manager. The first thing you have to do, you have to simply force stop, and after that you have to clear the cache, and you have to check whether you got the notes feature or not. If you do not get that, then the next trick you have to do is you have to simply open the Instagram again, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply report that problem to Instagram team. For this you have to click on the profile. After that you have to click on settings, and you have to scroll down until you find the option of help, and here you can find the option of report a problem. And after that you have to click on report a problem without shaking, and you have to also click on include and continue, because it will also include any kind of problem you are having in your Instagram app. After that, here you have to explain the problem, that you are not having notes feature, and you can also attach the screenshot, and after that you can click on send, and your problem will be sent to Instagram team, and within few days they will solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.